Are you a woodworking enthusiast? Perhaps a beginner, struggling with unclear plans, wasted materials, or just getting started? Today, we're diving into an honest review of TedsWoodworking, a resource that promises to solve these common frustrations with over 16,000 step-by-step plans. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Imagine having access to plans so clear, so precise, that every cut list, every schematic, and every instruction makes perfect sense. TedsWoodworking delivers exactly that, transforming complex projects into achievable steps. No more head-scratching or second-guessing. Why struggle when you can build with confidence? TedsWoodworking empowers you to move from a mere idea to a beautifully finished piece, faster and with less effort. It's about turning your vision into reality without the usual roadblocks. At the heart of TedsWoodworking is an expansive library of over 16,000 plans. From intricate furniture to outdoor structures, you'll find projects for every skill level and interest. It's a treasure trove of ideas, all at your fingertips. What sets these plans apart is their unparalleled detail. You get multi-angle views, precise joinery instructions, and comprehensive material lists. This level of detail ensures that absolutely nothing is left to chance or guesswork, guaranteeing professional results every time. Think of TedsWoodworking as your personal GPS for woodworking. It guides you through every turn, every cut, ensuring you reach your destination. A perfectly completed project without getting lost. Build with confidence, knowing you have a clear path ahead. Worried about limited space or tools? TedsWoodworking proves that great builds aren't exclusive to massive workshops. Many plans are designed to be accessible, allowing you to create stunning projects even in small setups with basic tools. The proof is in the practice. Thousands of woodworkers, from beginners to seasoned pros, have successfully brought their projects to life using Ted's plans. Join a community that builds, shares, and inspires, creating incredible pieces every day. Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of plans? Don't be. The members area is intuitively organized with easy-to-use category filters. Simply choose your project, build it with confidence, and repeat the process for your next masterpiece. Beyond the 16,000 plans, you also get incredible bonuses, including monthly new plans and comprehensive tutorials. This means your resource is always fresh, always expanding, and always handy for your next project. One of the biggest frustrations is material waste. With Ted's precise cut lists, you buy once and cut right, minimizing waste and saving you money. It's about efficiency and making every piece of wood count. To ensure you get the authentic Ted's woodworking experience and all the bonuses, it's crucial to access it through the official link. This guarantees you receive the legitimate product and support, avoiding any unauthorized or incomplete versions. So, if you're ready to stop guessing and start building with confidence, TedsWoodworking is your ultimate resource. Click the official link below to unlock your potential and begin your first incredible woodworking project today. Your workshop awaits.